Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 9. I hope you all had a great spring break and are ready to finish off the second half of the semester strong. So this week we are going to be talking about AR verbs. So we've already done some verbs like ser, tener, estar. Now we're going to learn all of the regular endings for all of the verbs that end with AR. And we're also going to learn about making yes or no questions. So make sure you go through all of the materials for that. We also have the pronunciation review posted again because this module we have, instead of a regular speaking assignment, pronunciation project number 2. So if we go on to the assignments, we have homework packet 7. It's number 7, even though it's module 9, because we skipped 2 weeks of homework packets during the field specific projects. So I know the number doesn't match, but it's module 9, homework packet 7. We skipped 2. For the pronunciation project, if you got a 95 or higher on your first pronunciation project, you can choose to use that grade to count as your second one. You don't have to submit another project. You just have to email me and tell me that you want to count your first grade twice. If you got below an 80, I really recommend that you meet with me, like on Zoom or come to my office, whatever, and go over the project together, because this one is hard as well. So it might be harder than the first one. But so like I said, if you got below an 80, I really recommend that you make an appointment, meet with me on Zoom, come to my office, something like, let's just go over it together to help you get through that one. And then we have the quiz like always. We're back on like a regular schedule now that we're done with the second, now that we're done with the field specific project. So yeah, let me know if you have questions, and welcome to the second half of the semester.